If you're seeing the OneNote error 2001-02, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step fix that can usually get your notebook syncing again. This issue can happen when OneNote gets stuck with a bad notebook connection or a sync path that needs to be refreshed. The good news is that you can often solve it without losing your notes, as long as you follow the steps carefully. And before we get into it, if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's fix it. First, open your OneNote desktop app and take a careful look at the notebook that is showing the 2102 error. Before you change anything, check whether you have any recent notes that have not synced yet. This part is important. If you've written anything new recently, manually copy and paste that text into a temporary Word document or Notepad file. That way, if anything needs to refresh or reconnect, you won't accidentally lose your newest changes. It only takes a minute, and it gives you a backup just in case. Once your recent notes are safely copied, go to the notebook in the sidebar that's displaying the error. Right-click that notebook and choose Close this notebook. This tells OneNote to disconnect from the current notebook link. In many cases, the error is caused by a broken notebook reference, and closing it forces OneNote to stop using that old connection. Now open your browser and go to OneNote Web. Sign in using the same Microsoft account connected to your notebook. When OneNote Web loads, open the same notebook in your browser and make sure all of your content is there. You want to verify that your notebook data is correct online before reconnecting it to the desktop app. If everything looks fine in the web version, look for the Open in Desktop App button at the top of the page and click it. This is one of the most important parts of the fix. When you open the notebook from OneNote Web back into the desktop app, OneNote creates a fresh connection and a new clean resource ID. In other words, you're not forcing the old broken link to keep working, you're giving OneNote a new path to sync from. That often clears the 2102 error and restores normal behavior. After that, go back into the OneNote desktop app, click your account icon and select Sign Out. Then close all Office applications completely. Don't just minimize them. Make sure OneNote, Word, Outlook, and any other Office apps are fully closed. This helps clear out any stuck session data that may still be holding on to the error. Next, restart your computer. A full restart is important because it refreshes local services, cached account data, and background Office processes that may still be running. Once your machine starts back up, launch OneNote again and sign back in with your account. This final sign-in forces a total refresh of your cloud permissions and often helps OneNote recognize the notebook with the updated connection. After signing back in, open the notebook again and test your sync. Check whether the 2102 error is gone and whether your notes are syncing properly. If the notebook opens normally, take a moment to confirm that your recent changes are present and that everything is showing up correctly. If you backed up any text earlier, you can paste it back in now if needed. So that's the full fix. Back up any unsynced notes, close the affected notebook, reopen it through OneNote Web, sign out of OneNote, close all Office apps, restart your PC, and then sign back in. In many cases, that sequence is enough to clear the OneNote error 2102 and get you back to working normally. If this tutorial helped, please hit like, subscribe for more troubleshooting videos, and let me know in the comments if you want more OneNote fixes next. Thanks for watching.